So they're saying there's sales on, which is really good. I didn't know they had sales. So this is Ikea Glasgow, which is just right in the heart of the city, quite easy to drive to. So we're here at Ikea and it's nice and early. So this is Glasgow Ikea and we're just going to see what bargains they've got today.
Working for Ikea is fabulous. This means idea, Ikea. Good morning to all. Thank you.
Oh, that's lovely. Good morning to you too.
My name, Donald. Good morning.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. So we're here at Ikea and we've had a great start, really nice welcome. And here we are at this great wee horse just in the corner, and it's a really good area just round here where you can sit. So we're going to start our wander and see how we get on. So this is another picture of this horse. This is a take on the statue in Glasgow of the Duke of Wellington, which always has a cone on its head. So I thought that was really quite a nice thing to do for the Glasgow shop. So this is just going into the main foyer area, and there's a really good set of toilets there and a little first aid room. And now I'm just going to show you some of the pictures around the shop. So I'd be really interested to hear from people to find out if all the shops do similar displays or if they've all got different ones. But if you are interested in any of the products, obviously I'm not linked in any way, but I just love a little trip to Ikea. And I just love the way they set up these rooms and they just look fantastic. So it was lovely and quiet when we went nice and early just to beat the crowds, and it was also midweek, so we got a really good chance just to wander around and have a really good look at all the different things. So this is some of the sofas. They do have a sale on. I do find with Ikea that there's never that many things in the sale. It's just the odd item. So if you were wanting to see something particular, it might be good just to look it up online before you went, just to see if it was included in the sale or not. But as I say, I really love these rooms. We did meet a lady. She was really nice. She was just sitting in one of the rooms and it just looked like she was just sitting in a normal house, ready just to get her cup of coffee. So we were just saying how nice it was just to wander around. There was also a really nice smell all around the place. I don't know if someone had been around with air freshener or whether they were putting it through the air conditioning, but it was really nice. It's a nice sort of fresh fragrance. So this is some of the rooms set up with some of the football regalia, just ready to promote the football this year. There's nice kitchens. The kitchen areas, as I say, they all look fantastic, and more into the bedrooms now. And they have these lovely units, which should be really handy just to put your TV on. We've got quite a low TV unit that we got from Ikea, and I find it's really good. Really nice style, some of the rooms. So it's really nice just to be able to walk around and see everything. So I know that some people find Ikea quite hard to get to, so I really thought this might help people who can't just go to shop but would like to order online, just to have an idea of what some of the furniture and items would look like, either in store or in your own home. And as I say, I think it's fantastic. They make these rooms up as if it's just from like somebody's house or a hotel room or whatever. It looks really good. It's a nice kitchen one again, more football. Thought these were really nice, the glass doors for the kitchens. And obviously these windows are just fake windows, but they look great in these photos here. It does just look like It's just a tenement building in Glasgow and you're just looking out the window to another tenement. So really nice displays. If you've never been to Ikea, I really would advise that you go along just to have a look around, because it is really good fun just to see everything in situation, in place. You can just, they have tags on absolutely everything, and you just have a wee look at the tag and then you can find out where you would either order the item from, or all the different codes just to pick them up downstairs. So some of the larger items, I think you are better speaking to somebody. There's lots of desks around Ikea and they will have a chat with you if you're wanting to do something that's a large item or a collection of items. But if it is just one item that you can just pick up from downstairs, then you just look up the code and you can just pick that up on your way out through the warehouse. Large items like these furniture units, as I say, you are better just to speak to someone. They'll help you order all the different parts that you need for it all to fit together. And they've got lots of different things. So these are all the beds. Bedding in Ikea is also known just to have slightly different measurements for the pillows and also the duvets. I don't know if it's still the case, but certainly years ago that was the case. Maybe you can let me know in the comments down below if you're aware of the size difference within the UK and with Ikea bedding. So some of the sort of displays, as I say, really show you what it would look like in someone's home. So this is all set up. It's a great large walk-in sort of wardrobe closet area. You can just get an idea and a feel of what that'd be like. On to the kids. So the kids stuff is always really cute. They have lots of nice cuddly toys. They always have a wee sort of slant towards sort of education as well, which is really nice. So these are really cute cuddly toys. This is a jungle scene. These are big teddy bears. He reminded me of the sun bear at Edinburgh Zoo. Lots of panda bears. And then we've got some space toys, I guess, in the middle. This was really cute. It's called a fruit market, and lots of little different things. That'd be really good to teach your children. As I say, quite good for education. So they do have a lot of things for children in Ikea. Normally I just sort of skip through quite fast, but I was just having a look around just to make the video, and I didn't actually realise how many different things that they did have. So they've got lots of baby toys. You can see things there like bibs, different just like cushions and blankets, lots of things for the beach. But they do also do cots, which I didn't realise, and a lot of bedding, the baby mattresses. The bedding looked really nice, lots of lovely colours. Everything you want for a nursery, which I thought was great. Now onto the rugs. I didn't take too many photos down here, but there are lots of nice rugs, and there's the children's rugs as well. And they do larger carpets too, and some storage. Their storage is always really good and really good for all the different rooms in your house. This is some of the sort of bathroom and kitchen items. And they do various colours, lots of blacks, whites and greys. But really nice to see them move more towards like blues and sort of brighter colours. But at the moment, the real colours for this year is sort of pale pink, the very pale pastel pink, and grey again. As I say, I would like to see a bit of a move away from that, but you can see all the different candles there. Lots of people buy their candles from Ikea, they just last forever. This was really nice. This was down with the artificial flowers and the real flowers. This is all the artificial ones. Lots of different colours, really pretty. Really nice vases and bowls and things to put all your flowers in. And we had a look at these. We ended up, we didn't buy any of the artificial plants, but they were nice. And these are the real plants. So they've got a really good display of real plants as well. It's back to artificial. And these are the real ones. So real ones are mainly indoor plants for the UK. And finally, we made it through to the warehouse. Now, we didn't do too much in the section with all the little items for your kitchen, but we did make it down here through the warehouse. And you can just see even the warehouse has just a few sort of made up pieces of furniture, just so you can see what it would look like when it was made up. So this is a really good thing that Ikea does. It's called reshop and reuse, and this is where you can buy some ex-display items, and some of the things that might have some marks on it, a bit broken, but it's quite good. So I hope this has really helped. So thanks again for watching today, and I really hope that you can give us a thumbs up and like on this video, as well as subscribing to get notifications of new videos. And you can also become a Patreon if you want to support us in our work, and there's information on how to do that below. So thanks again, bye!